Well, it's a long story. Goes back to obviously 1974 when we started the business in the upstairs hallway of our house. It was my dad, my mom, myself, and one other employee.
Back then, they didn't have a lot of names for positions, but I started in the service department, putting PTOs on trucks.
Well, I've seen some acquisitions and I've seen drawing trailers on a drawing board to computers. Watched it all.
Started when I was young, 17. I started as a welder on second shift. One of the biggest things I've always enjoyed is being able to go out in the field and see our trailers work and see them firsthand and how they operate and be a part of what we can do to always help improve that process.
When I started, I was just out of college, so I pretty much grown up here. And my kids grew up with Trail King, so it's kind of a second family, and I really enjoy the people that I've worked with over the last 36 years.
When we came out with hydraulic detachable gooseneck and got into the construction business, that's when things kind of really took off, and that happened in the early 80s.
We've done some phenomenal builds over the years. The transformer hauler back in 1986. The early 90s, we did the million-pound autoclave mover, wind energy, live bottoms. All those products helped us get to where we are today.
Not everywhere you can go and build a TK 800 or a million-pound trailer and cut anywhere from 10 gauge to 5-inch thick material and have a trailer at the end of the line.
In my role, I want to make sure that we retain that sense of family, that culture of teamwork, so that we can continue to be what I consider the best manufacturer of trailers in this country.
When I started, there was 13 people in the factory that I worked in. So I watched it grow. We brought 90 people on in 1 month when the West plant was built.
This year, we're celebrating 50 years of Trail King, a milestone made only possible by our people and our customers that have helped us all these years at Trail King. We have the best men and women in the world building the best trailers in the world for our customers' success.
I enjoy my job. The thing I've enjoyed the most is the friends I've made over 36 years here.
The quality of this organization, from the ownership all the way down to every single individual, it permeates the organization and goes all the way to our customers. They sense it. You don't find that very often.
No, it's just been amazing years working here. To think that it started in a garage years ago.
The family started it and got it going, but it would never become what it's become today without the help of a lot of people. You don't build this size of business with one person.